The arts. The arts make up a language that moves through different elements such as movement, a gesture, the word, the image, or the light, among others, that allow us to express ourselves. Art is a way of life. When children have contact with art from a early age, the benefits are multiple. Rather, it does not imply that children become artists, singers, or dancers, but rather that they experience various activities that allow them to be sensitive and grow as people. Is art just a talent? No, it is more than a talent. It is a process of awareness of life. Art is a good strategy for education in all areas. In early childhood, it promotes creative, reflective, and critical thinking. It is a learning tool that encourages you to create and invent, stimulate the intellectual abilities of your children. Art is a form of communication between parents and children. Enjoy with music, body awareness, activities, and virtual arts.